I'm allergic to you. Do you want a treat?
I know. You're ever gonna eat your food though? Here you go.
What is today? Today, well, it's Saturday, but today I'm having a me day. Colin is gone all day. He's got some family stuff. Last night, we had the Shibui show. It was so fun, and today is the obligatory wear the merch of the band that you saw the night before. It is a slightly different color yellow than my sweater. But you know what? It's okay. Porterfield, check them out. Amazing band. Stellar. They're based in New York, so if you are also based in New York, check them out. I'm not going to wear 2 different colors of yellow. I'm going to change. So, a me day, what does that entail? It means we're going to do all the things that I didn't get to do last weekend, because last weekend I had a show on Saturday and a show on Sunday, and I had absolutely no free time to get things done. Today, I got nothing. My show was last night. I've already slept in. I'm about to have coffee. Super excited about that. Then we're going to go to the store. We're going to make a crock pot so that we can have dinner tonight, a healthy dinner. Actually, it's, well, healthy is debatable, but it's going to be like a pasta and bolognese. So it'll be a delicious dinner. What else? I need to sweep the floor super bad, as you saw in that one very brief clip. Having a cat, you need to like just constantly clean even more, like on a daily schedule. I just kind of want to relax after the concert. I don't want to be like prepping for the week. So this is my prepping for the weekday. I love this outfit. This is like so not something that I would usually wear, but it is now. So, all right, coffee, go to the store.
Are you enjoying the nice clean floors?
Yeah, we swept. Everything is looking good. Pets are just a lot messier than I realized. Crock-pot's starting to smell good. Like, really good. I think I put a questionable ingredient in there, but we'll figure it out. It's just bolognese. I got garlic bread. It's 3:15. I just have laundry left and practicing. And then maybe washing the floors, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Gotta change that light bulb. But it's really tempting to just like, you know, just, you know. There's always practicing. I have like actually so much practice, but nothing is like an emergency right now.
Just be vibrating at the highest frequency when we're on stage.
I thought it was funny that you said you forget that you're in the band sometimes, and you start clapping.
I'm always clapping. I'm like, oh, too late.
Because like I didn't really put it together, but like every time I look over at the end of the set, you're just like.
Like spring today. What? It's warm in my car. Oh, it's sunny and beautiful. Okay, I just left Shibui. Before Shibui, I had to go back to Bang Space because I forgot my clarinet stand, or my bass clarinet stand. If you don't know what Bang Space is, check out the last video. I had a ton of coffee. It's daylight savings time. It feels like it's, you know, whatever time it is. Well, I had to get up at 8, which is like 7. It's 7. Like, the clock says 8, but, like, it's 7. You know what I mean? Yeah, anyway, I'm on my way to the second out of 2 of the Improbable Beast gigs. We're going to Stowe this time. I can't make this video right now.